Additional formatting options in Excel. We can apply many other formatting on the worksheet. Let us discuss them one by one. Cell borders. We can add borders around the cell to make it more readable and give a clean look to the worksheet. This is helpful when a spreadsheet needs to be printed because by default, cell grid lines do not appear when we print a document. Steps to add borders around the cells. Select the cell on which you want to apply borders. Then click on the Borders button. Choose a border style that you want to apply. To have different colors of borders at different sides of cell, click on the down arrow next to the Borders button. Select the Draw Border option from the drop-down menu. Choose the line width and color of the line to draw border.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.